Princess Kate Middleton, following in the footsteps of Queen Victoria and Prince Albert, who becomes the royal patron of the Royal Photographic Society. Princess Catherine, Princess of Wales, is the new patron of the Royal Photographic Society.
The Princess taken over as patron of the Royal Photographic Society
following the Queen's 67-year tenure. Princess Kate arrives at the park in dress and wedges. Princess Kate Middleton wears a perfectly summer dress for a Royal Photographic Society workshop.
Princess Kate will join several photograph sessions, teaching kids about various elements of photograph.
Princess Kate speaks with her child at a workshop. The Princess of Wales was seen sitting next to a little boy, Josh Evans, as she helped him during a photographic workshop.